this video, I'm going to show you how to use Windows System Restore in Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. Now in this version of Windows, they have moved the location of System Restore. It used to be in Accessories and System Tools and then System Restore. They've actually completely renamed it in Windows 8, and it is located in the control panel. So if we open our control panel, we'll see it under Recovery now. Now if you have in category your control panel in Category View, just choose up here at the top View by large icons and you'll see Recovery. So we'll open that up, and we have different options here now. You can recreate a recovery drive that allows you to start up your computer even when it can't start, which is more of a disaster recovery option there. And we can also configure, just like in previous versions of Windows, you can configure your recovery options. You can create a restore point, call it something here. You can configure other options here, disable altogether, also change the hard drive space that's allotted, and you can also delete restore points here. But we're going to open up System Restore. It's just like previous versions of Windows here. And when you choose a restore point, you can scan for affected programs and see what you're going to have to reinstall after performing this system restore. Just like before, you can expect that if you did an update and you're going to restore point that was prior to or before doing that update, obviously you're going to have to reinstall that update or program or driver or whatever it was, wherever it may be. But it is not going to affect any local files on your computer, so you don't have to worry about that. Anything that was changed by you, this only affects system files and drivers and things like that, program files. So when we click Finish, it's going to tell you that once it's started, System Restore cannot be interrupted. You want to continue. Once you click Yes, your computer will reboot, and it should come up and tell you whether or not it failed or succeeded. If it failed, you may have some corruption. Virus might have corrupted your restore store, where all of your restore points are stored, your images. In that case, it might take some further troubleshooting by a sysadmin or someone with those type of abilities. Now, it is notable here in Windows 8 that there's another feature that they added. If you go to the Start menu and then go to Settings here and then change PC settings, you will see it under Update and Recovery here. You've got on the Recovery, you got 3 new options here. You can refresh your PC without affecting your files, which basically backs up all of your files and documents and things like that, but it will wipe the computer. So it will reinstall Windows. You'll have to reinstall all of your programs and any updates, including a large update like Windows 8.1. So if your computer originally came with Windows 8 on it and you used the free upgrade to Windows 8.1, you will have to reinstall that as well as any subsequent updates after that. Remove everything and reinstall Windows is pretty much what it says. It will restore your computer to its factory settings and wipe everything out, including programs and all of your files. So before doing this, you want to make sure you got a good backup. And then the advanced startup will allow you to boot from a device such as a disk. It allows you to access the BIOS settings and things like that, because with Windows 8 the hardware is also a little different. You notice the F8 key does not work any longer on boot up, so this will allow for that type of action. But this is again a little more advanced for users that are administrators or people that are familiar with doing that type of thing. But for the most part, I believe that you should be able to solve your problem, hopefully with the System Restore, as I demonstrated. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you out.